everyone, today we are going to solve this PicoCTF challenge, Mind Your P's and Q's. So first let me read the description. So they say this. In RSA, a small e value can be problematic, but what about n? Can you decrypt this? And then we have here a file that we have to download to our machine. I already did that, but let me read the int. Bits are expensive. I used only a little bit over 100 to save money. This is our int. So I will tell you how I solve this challenge. So let me just change to the directory that I have the file values on. It's here, ls, and as you can see, the file values is here. Okay, so first of all, I had to see what was inside of this file, and to do that I did cat and the name of the file. So the name of the file is values. Let me see. So we can see that we have the value e here, we have the value n, and we have the value c. So I did a little bit of search and I discovered that the values n and e are public keys and the c value is a ciphertext. So after knowing this, what I did was to enter these values on a RSA decoder. So let me just show you how I did. So here we have a decoder where you can insert the value C, E and N. So let's do it. So the value E, I will copy paste the value here. The value n, we can copy paste that value here, and the value c. And then you just need to decrypt and you will have the flag here. So let's insert the flag and done. The challenge is done. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment on the post. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.